So what is up, creatives? It's me, Alan, the founder of the Hopeful Designer, and we're back again with another Canva Design Hack. And today, our tutorial is going to be similar for our last tutorial, and this time we're going to do the color isolation effect. So I hope that you'll learn this because it's easy to create. So for our first step, we're going to choose our photo. For this time, we're going to use this one. Of course, you can personalize it and use the kind of photo that you wanted. Next is you'll duplicate it, and then you set the other image as your background, and the other duplicate, what you wanted to do is to remove its background. Okay, let's just wait for Canva to remove its background again. One eternity later. Okay, so now that Canva has removed its background, let's just crop it so that it won't consume a lot of space. Okay, so what you wanted to do with this photo that has no background, you wanted to place at the exact location of the people or the person on the background of your image, just like that. Okay, place it carefully and check zoom so that you can check if it really covers the person on the image of your background. Okay, so there we go, we've done that step already. Okay, so what you wanted to do next is to add filter on the background of the photo background. Okay, just like that. Of course, you can choose any filter, but for now, what is the best filter? Okay, let's just use this grayscale. Okay, filter. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's color isolation effect. So in order for the image not to be removed, you just click lock. Okay. Okay, so I have an idea. What if we use this? We can turn this image as an album design. Okay, I just have this crazy idea while recording this tutorial. Okay, so what's that font again? Wait, let me just type in. What? It's not there. Okay. Okay, let's find it on style. Okay, there we go. The font is Voga. Okay, I don't know why this font is not searchable on there, but that font is named Voga. Okay. What should we name this album? Plain Streets. Okay, Plain Streets, because the man is sitting on the highway. Okay. Okay, Plain Street. There we go. There we go. Place it on the middle. So yeah, so in order for it to become more visible, let's add effects. Let's lift it up. There we go. Okay, I'll adjust it a little bit. There we have it. We designed an album using our tutorial color isolation effect. I believe you can use a lot of things or your designs for this kind of design hack. So again, this is Alan. I'm the founder of the Hopeful Designer. You can follow me on Facebook as the Hopeful Designer and in Instagram again as the Hopeful Designer. So comment down below what kind of tutorial you want to see next, or what kind of design you want me to design next. Posters, invitations, resume, anything. So see you on our next video. Bye.